everybody, welcome back to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes, and not only also simple, also holiday recipes, like today's recipe that we're gonna make an amazing turkey meatloaf. Before we go to the recipe, remember to subscribe, like and comment down below. Which recipe would you like to see next, guys? Let me know and I'll make it happen. As you see, I'm here ready at the stove to start the recipe. It's really simple, really delicious. You're gonna make it all the time. It's one of our favorite recipes and we make it really often, and not only for the holidays. So before we get started, we need to boil our eggs, and that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna put our eggs in a little pot and start boiling them for 10 minutes, so they're gonna be really good boiled. Next thing I'm gonna do after I start boiling my eggs, I'm going to take my red bell pepper and the carrots, put them in the food processor and process them. I'm going to add a little olive oil, not much. The reason I'm having the bell peppers and the carrot on my skillet is in order to decrease their juices. So as soon as that happens, it's time to remove them from the stove. This is a sign that the mix is ready. You see, there's no juice left on the skillet. And let's prepare everything rest now, and we're gonna add this later. So I'm going to add to my food processor garlic cloves and an onion. So now inside the bowl I'm gonna be adding everything that I'm gonna add to my turkey meatloaf. Before adding the last things to my mixture, I'm going to prepare the tray that I'm gonna bake this meatloaf, and this is nothing else than parchment paper and a cake tray, and I really find very handy for this recipe. Okay, now it's ready, so when my mixture gonna be ready too, I'm gonna start adding it here. So moving on to my mixture, I'm going to add now the carrot and the bell pepper. They're cooled down, they're on a room temperature. A bit of olive oil. Last but not least, a little breadcrumbs, a plain breadcrumb I'm gonna add here, and see if we need more, and we're gonna add more. And I'm gonna put on my gloves. I don't like all the ingredients going on my nails. You have no idea how incredibly yummy smells that mixture with all these very aromatic ingredients. So now the mixture is fine. I can make even a meatballs right now with this mixture, but I'm gonna add it to my tray and make that meatloaf. I'm going to add some on the bottom. try to make it even. And now it's time for the eggs that we boiled, and we're gonna clean and cover with some flour and put them in the mixture here. So here I have some flour, and I'm gonna put my egg here and roll it and move it to the tray like this. The same I'm gonna do with the rest eggs. Put my egg here, roll it to the flour and move it close to the other one. So that was it. The meat is ready to bake, so I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'll see you right after. So that was it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you're gonna make it at home. It's really simple. You're gonna love it. It's really delicious. And our guest always likes that recipe. Anytime I made it, they were super amazed. They loved it. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the recipe yourselves with your guests or not. And see you in the next video. Until then, many kisses.